might as well be this chrome like the rims. I really got it nice, but these other haters bent like the rocks that I might as well throw at you. I don't even care, I'm like a football, baby, watch me catch you. You ain't nothing but I'm running your mouth. Watch me run my dick in the girl's pussy like I'm running football. Bro, tell me I'm crazy, but I'm ill. Man, I'm probably saying that I make your girl's booty jiggle. I'm like the soda pop, man, watch me fucking fizzle. And I don't understand, man, my shit is really for rizzle. I mean, it's ill, but these hobby ain't nice. And I don't understand, I don't like practice, I don't pay a price. I'm probably on your video, on your screen. And guess what, baby, yeah, you on my team. You the rebound, probably just the other girl. But you can come and I can let you see the world. I'm crazy, but they say I'm mostly stupid. Love connections to these girls, so you can call me Cupid. Money so much, I make a motherfucker scream. I say holla too loud that you see that red beam. Well, money on my mind, money on my mental. I can super shock a motherfucker like Pikachu. Anybody could tell me something so nice, so crazy, but you can call me the big boy, baby. Call me her baby, call me her big boy. Or she can probably call my dick her own sex toy. They say I'm nasty, but they say I'm bad. And guess what? You can ask my dad, because this beat is probably just carrots. And it's a habit. And guess what? I'm the bunny rabbit. Call me Bugs Bunny, or probably Daffy Duck. Suffering sucker trash, call me Mr. Sylvester. Man, I'm so bad, I make it rain like the weather. I don't understand, excuse me, get your umbrella. I got your girl straight up on the digits. And I don't understand, I ain't short and I ain't no midget. I'm the fast dude, coming on the bass too. And if your girl coming with me, y'all know she stay new. I bang to this beat straight down around. And if you want it, girl, I get it by the ounce, not the pound. I probably get a ton just to get a cargo. But I don't understand, you looking at me like I'm from down from California. Matter of fact, you probably just watch us coming for you. Yes, I'm straight up born down from the ego. This game is mine, so you can let go my egos.